My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Skoda Kodiaq. This vehicle has done just over 70,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control. On the right, we have drive assist, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the first page of our screen, we can access our key features, which include Skoda Connect, Smart Link, navigation, vehicle, and on the second page we have media command, images, AC, and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: individual, eco, normal, and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.